This is LysElla.com, and I am your host today for the service sales method. And today's going to be a short one. I want to talk about this concept called basically going crazy, making a wild service game out of whatever it is that you're doing. So this one is a very action-oriented lesson, if you will, or talk. And what I'd encourage you to do is to make up a sales game for yourself. And this is what it could look like. So one way I've heard this mentioned or posited is by saying something like, if you had to make $10,000 today, or if you had to get one new client today, or if you had to do something that seems out of reach to you, what would you do? So consider that the challenge and make it into a service challenge by doing the following. There are many, many ways that you can get creative about how you're going to serve people. And if you've been listening to me long enough, what you know is that I truly believe and have seen work the fact that if you serve enough people, some of those people will become clients and they will come to you and they will ask you to work with you. So it's in that vein that I'd encourage you to go decide what it is that you want to do and what your game's going to look like. So for example, this has taken the form of, with others, of saying, well, I don't normally call my clients, but I'm going to look at my list of clients and I am going to call them. And I'm going to start with the one that I haven't talked to in the longest, or I'm going to start with the one that I actually talked to most recently. Doesn't matter where, but choose something. Choose a metric that you're going to use and a way to focus on one person at a time. And it could be in that act of calling, it could be leaving a message, because most likely you're going to get an answering machine or a voicemail, and saying, hi, it's Lise. I'm calling to see how you are. Give me a call back. It can be that simple. You don't have to be proposing anything to anyone. You don't necessarily have to even know what it is that you're going to talk to them about. It's simply reaching out and rekindling a connection. So this can work even if it's even if you don't have clients yet. If you're just starting something new and you're starting to build clients or look for contacts or whatever it is, start with this game of how many people could I serve today, by just calling them and asking them how they are. A call, for example, is a very rare thing to get these days, an actual voice call, and especially one where nobody's trying to sell you anything. A call where you're simply asking, hi, how are you? I haven't talked to you in a long time. I wanted to check in. Fill me in. How's life? If you really, truly ask from the point of view of being curious and really wanting to know, if there's something related to business that they already know what you do, there's something related to your business that they want to ask about, they'll ask. And you'll be amazed at how many people you'll be able to restart relationships with, or where they'll mention something and say, oh, that makes me think of this, or this makes me think of this person, or here's how I can help you, or oh my gosh, did you know that I have this new service? I think the last time we talked, I didn't even have this, but it sounds like it might be of use to you. All of that will come out of playing this service game. So choose for yourself how you want to measure this. If you're planning to come back next week, set a goal for yourself. Choose if you want to serve a certain number of people. I'm going to call 10 people each day, starting today, between now and the next time we gather here in this hangout, for example. I'm going to call 10 people. And if you think, oh my gosh, I'm going to run out of people. No, you won't. No, you won't. Make your list of 10 for today. Call them. Tomorrow, make another list of 10. Call them. You will not run out of people. I guarantee you. So that's it. That's it for today. Short and sweet. Have fun. Bye.